Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic scanner. This week the scanner did not detect any bad pattern, bullish or bearish on the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame I am watching closely and sharing with the traders inside the gold membership. This week there were several bad patterns, but none of them has been confirmed as a potential successful bad pattern, because each of these patterns did not form in line with the trend, and also I have not moved to the next step, making the technical analysis. So first of all, whenever I receive the information from the scanner, for example, let's take a look GBP USD here. When I click on it, the chart will open, and in this case we can see the price has formed a bearish bad pattern, suggesting that the price could reverse from here going further down, where the first target is this line and the second target is this line. So for now, when I make the analysis, first filter that I am using is determining is the pattern in line with the trend. And we can see this was the downtrend. The price has formed a downtrend, but we can see it is the bad pattern has been formed almost at the start of this bearish trend. So I do not like to see that. I like to see the bearish bad pattern formed around here in the middle or in the second part of this downtrend channel to increase the chances of being successful. So for now there was no patterns that are in line with the trend. So I'm waiting until I have very clean pattern formed with the trend, and then I make the technical analysis. Are these levels, for example, like you see them here, are they in line with this support and the resistance levels? If they are, I continue to make the analysis and confirm are these levels okay or not. Will I move them, for example, right here, and I will leave this one here, and for stop loss just here to increase the chances of being successful pattern. Now for this one I did not manage to receive any potential profitable patterns, so I will skip this one in this week. We will wait for the next one next week. Now for you, if you would like to receive these updates, you can also use notification window, where the Harmonic scanner will send you a message on the Telegram when these patterns has been detected. Which patterns and on which time frame you define here inside the settings. When you click the settings, you have the option to define on which time frame you would like to track, and then you have a pattern which you would like also to track. So when you click all of these, if you click all of these, they will be populated here only when the Harmonic scanner detects these patterns on the chart. For example, in my case, I have selected I would like to have only bad pattern and the 4-hour time frame and the daily. 4 and daily time frame are higher time frame, and it is much more reliable for me. And also the bad pattern is the one I have selected because this pattern is acting much more successful and profitable on the analysis I am making. So if you are using some kind of a strategy with some indicators and other technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, you can also pick one of these patterns or all of them and check are they profitable or not by looking in the past and making the statistics for the patterns that are available here in the Harmonic scanner. Now if you would like to receive them, do not forget to have a D point also listed here, because if you remove the D point is the final 4 point inside the pattern. Let's go here to the chart so you can understand. You can see that there are four dots. First one is A, B, C, and D. So if you do not select the D point or the C point, you will not have any patterns listed here. So you can see inside notification when I have removed the C point and the D point, you do not have any patterns because the Harmonic scanner do not have patterns without C point and the D point. So the D point is the final point, and it is also the potential reversal zone when it is created and the entry level. If you select only the C point, the C point represents the point that is expected the price will reach from the C point to the D point. So you can also, if the price reaches C point, you could also make a trade targeting the area around the D point. That's why you have a C point listed here if you would like to receive. So if we have only a C point, let's take a look here. Is there any pattern detected? We have here gold against the US dollar. When I click on it, you will see that there is no the D point. The price did not reach the D point still, so it is a C point. So there is high probability that the price could go from the C point to the D point around, or at least around this area here. So you can also start trading from this point, targeting this point. the stop loss would be around a point or above that. So this is also one of the ways how you can use this Harmonic SAP scanner information with the C point and the D point. But some traders sometimes happens that they remove the C point and the D point, they do not select any of them, and they do not have any of the patterns here. So remember to have that. And also if you have a bullish and a bearish, you will see that also it is very good to select which one you would like to have, at least one of them, but I put all of them here. Now inside the watch list, you select which symbols you would like to have. You have Forex Major, Forex Minor with this checkbox, but if you would like to add more of them, you can go here to the symbols and go down to the add a new symbol. In this field, just type that symbol, and if it is available on the Harmonic SAP scanner, you will receive this one here. And when the scanner detects these patterns, you will receive Telegram notification, and when you click on that link, you will immediately open the chart on the scanner, and it will show you this pattern with this small window which has more information about this pattern. You have potential reversal zone, target 1, 2, a stop loss, which is a red line, and then you have risk to reward ratio, which means if you enter the trade at the blue line, you will have 4.33 reward to risk, where the stop loss is compared with the second take profit. So the area here is 1, and from blue line to the second green line is 4.33. So if you are calculating your risk percentage, if you take stop loss as a 1%, but if the price goes in your favor from the blue line to the second take profit, you will earn 4.33% of your trade. It's very good. Most of these patterns that has been detected by the Harmonic SAP scanner is around 3 and more. If you go here to the monitor tab, you can also make some kind of analysis. Here inside the settings, you can select which patterns you would like to receive to here inside this table. You have security, where you can define which symbols you would like to analyze. And after that, for example, let's put them all here and activate them here all. And you will see the table will populate with patterns below that. Okay. And I will remove this one. Do not forget to remove the views, because it is also some kind of a filter that you can put here, so you will not have all the patterns and also all the symbols that you have selected here inside the security. Remove them here, and then you will have everything cleaned. Now you can see that we have here, for example, crab. It is a bullish pattern. It is a green line, which means a bullish. Red is for the bears, and you have here a time frame, status, date, and risk to reward. And if you take a look here, we have 3 failed, 1 complete, and we have successful ones. Failed means that the price has reached a stop loss from the entry level. Complete means that the price did not reach take profit, second, and also did not reach stop loss, which means it's still in the game. And we have a successful one, which means the take profit, second take profit, has been reached from the entry level. And this is how the Harmonic SAP scanner works. If you would like to receive these updates through the notification, feel free to activate the Telegram bot to receive that, and also use the monitor to make some kind of analysis. If you would like to receive these updates and ask any questions, feel free to join the Gold membership, where I also define and also inform the traders when there is a pattern that is in line with the trend, and make the analysis. And if it is confirms, then it is potential profitable and successful on, which will be shared with the traders inside the Gold membership on the Telegram. Feel free to join if you would like to receive these updates, and you will have direct access to me and also other traders that are inside. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.